Probably heard about people talking about drugs like Ozempic to lose weight, even though the medications are meant to treat diabetes. Well, now a new study suggests those drugs may actually go a step further, tackling addiction, as discussed last night on Elizabeth Vargas Reports right here on NewsNation.
One patient who took Ozempic for a weight loss said it was like a switch had flipped in her brain, like all sorts of addictive tendencies vanished. What's going on, do you think? How is this working?
Well, we know that these drugs stimulate a receptor called the GLP-1 receptor. And these receptors are in the brain, in the reward center, in the hippocampus. And so by stimulating them, they may actually reduce the reward gleaned from these kind of addictive behaviors.
Joining me now is the NewsNation medical contributor, Dr. David Montgomery. Doctor, good to talk to you as always. I'm wondering just sort of your general thoughts here on Ozempic and how much either you're prescribing this or your colleagues and friends are prescribing it, and how have you seen it work?
Yeah, Blake, great to be with you. It's obviously very popular, and it's being prescribed a lot, not just for diabetes. Remember, Blake, that the indication for weight loss came after it was proven. This is all merit-based. It was proven to, in a very helpful way, help people lose weight. And cardiologists like me are very happy about it because it actually helps people with cardiac disease or risk factors for heart disease. So we know that there's two main indications. The problem is that makers weren't expecting such a large demand, and so we've got this shortage. I will tell you, and
Yeah, no, I didn't mean to cut you off there, but it was interesting to hear you talk as a cardiologist that you also say it helps reduce heart disease risk. Because there's a belief out there among some, if not many, in the medical community that not only does this help with type 2 diabetes, not only does this help with weight loss, but if we can show a few of the other things as well. Reduce heart risk disease, treat drug and alcohol addiction, prevent dementia, fight cancer. Honestly, doctor, it almost sounds too good to be true. We want it to be true, but is it too good to be true?
Yeah, it does seem that way. I think what's very clear is a lot of this stuff is been proven in the data. And I do want people to understand that this is not newfangled. This is 20 years in the making. The first GLP agonist was used in 2005.
So is this if you say it's been proven in the data, like, is this a super drug, I guess, doctor? Is that
well, it depends on it depends on how you define super drug. Here's what we know it does. It reverses it helps people reverse their A1C. That means that it helps diabetes really well. It helps people lose weight. And the newer data is suggesting that it can also do other things. Now, the same reward center that has people get reward when they eat is the same reward center that addictions sort of land in the frontal lobes, as the doctor was saying on the Elizabeth Vargas's show. And what we know is that, it's all in the same region. If the GLPs can affect weight loss, why couldn't it, in fact, affect some of these other things? So if you call that a wonder drug, if you call that a super drug, then that's in fact what it is. Here's what the problem is. We don't know what the long-term consequences are, and still time will tell.
Interesting. All right, Dr. David Montgomery, thank you for your time as always. Appreciate it, sir.
Great to be with you, Blake.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.